What is a rough-in inspection? A rough-in inspection takes place when all branch circuit wiring and outlet boxes are installed, before the wiring is hidden by insulation, vapor barrier, drywall, etc. As a minimum, the rough-in inspection confirms all cables are installed, strapped and supported as required. All required outlet boxes are installed and securely fastened. All cables have their outer jacket removed and are terminated in outlet boxes where an outlet box is required. All bonding connections are completed at all outlet boxes, including providing a bonding conductor for final connection where required to a wiring device, luminaire, or equipment. Any joints or splices in the wiring at outlet boxes are completed. Protection plates against nails, screws are installed where required. And no wiring is concealed by insulation or floor, wall, and ceiling materials until authorized by an inspector. For new installations, the service inspection and the rough-in inspection are usually completed at the same time. Otherwise, additional inspection fees may apply.